In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. This is Pilgrim George, Walter. I'm an American, and God has called me to walk and to pray. The past 30 years I have been traveling around the world, about 20,000 miles, about 30,000 kilometers, over 3 continents, and I am now recording this in Poland, near Warsaw. Poland is the 24th country that God has sent me to walk and to pray in. And my goal is to be in the Holy Land and in Jerusalem for the Jubilee year 2000. But I am now making my way through Europe, visiting various shrines to Mary, the Mother of God. And so because of Częstochowa, which is a famous shrine to Mary, 600 years old, here in Poland, that's why I am here. And next year I will pilgrimage to Our Lady of Knock in Ireland, and then head across England to Norway, and eventually make my way through Russia and the Ukraine down to the Holy Land. But my life is mainly one of trusting in God. I do not have a job or a family, a home. I don't own anything, and I don't have money to buy things with or to rent a room, but God provides for me every day with food, water, a place to stay. Normally I walk in the summer, and if I'm in countries where there's cold and snow, then God provides a pustynia, a hermitage, a small room where I can spend my time inside in prayer, normally near a Catholic church. This year I'm with a Franciscan sisters community who take care of blind children. There's 300 children here in this school, and about 100 sisters. So there's a nice chapel, and the sacraments are available for me. And when I'm in Pustynia also, I do quite a bit of letter writing and answering letters. I think this year, in the 7 months that I've been in Pustynia, I've written about 300 letters. So many people keep in touch with me that I have met along the way and have shared with. Sometimes I've only known them for a few hours, other times a few days. And this is one of the blessings that God gives to a pilgrim, to meet interesting people. One day someone said to me, "You must meet a lot of interesting people on your travels." And I said to them, "Yes, and you are one of them." Because it takes an interesting person to stop to talk with me. Most people who see me think I am crazy, and they avoid me because I look so different. And normally we are afraid of what is different. I have a long robe. No one wears robes like this today. And it's made from jean patches. And if you do wear a robe because you're religious, it's normally nice material. And I carry a long staff with the cross on top. And this is not very seldom seen in our day. I carry a Bible in my left hand, and I wear an icon of the Mother of God around my neck. Normally, I walk about 25 kilometers a day, and that means walking from sunrise till sunset. Then I find a place in the woods or in the fields to sleep, someplace private, alone, and I carry a little tent to protection from rain. snow or mosquitoes, ants, and so forth.